Adding a password to your Windows 10 account is a good way to secure your device. Here's how you can do it. Open Settings, click on the Start menu, then click the Settings gear icon. Accounts, in the Settings window, select Accounts. Sign In Options, click on Sign In Options from the left-hand menu. Password Creation, under the Password section, click Add or Create to set up a new password. Set password, enter and confirm your new password. You can also add a password hint to help you remember it if needed. Password created. After completing these steps, your new password will be set up for your Windows 10 account.
It is advisable to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security.